are the ingredients for our sotanghon gisado. We have the chicken liver. We have the garlic for sauteing and onion, bell pepper. We have carrots. We have cabbage, and then we have the patu bran, sotanghon, and of course we have our condiments there. So let's start the ball rolling. Let's start the cooking of sotanghon gisado. Okay, let's start cooking sotanghon gisado. We will put the oil. And we will put garlic. Saute the garlic. We have the onions. We'll cook the bell pepper together with the other vegetables later. Then we will put the chicken. Then we'll put the Then we will add the liver. For a better taste. We will be adding water for our sotanghon. Okay, bakit naman natin yan. Pecorino. Saka ang carrots. Lagay na natin lahat ng mga gulay. Saka yung bell pepper. Tapos pahaluin. Kulang mo kasi nabalikan natin. Okay, we will get some of the veggies so that it will not be overcooked. We will add the sotanghon.